In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to install OpenCV on a Raspberry Pi. To begin with the installation, first, we need to enable the camera. For that, we'll open the terminal and start the Raspberry Pi config. To do that, run the command sudo raspi-config. Next, select the fifth option, that is, Interfacing Options, and then select Pi Camera to enable or disable. Select the option Yes to enable the camera interface. We get a confirmation message indicating the camera interface is enabled. Press Enter. To exit from the Raspberry Pi software configuration tool, press Escape on the keyboard. Our next task is to install the OpenCV library. To do that, run the command sudo apt get install python opencv. The installation is complete. Now, the developers can start working with OpenCV to create computer vision projects. This is how we install OpenCV on a Raspberry Pi.